What's up, guys? Saturday morning, probably I think around 10 o'clock ish. It's quite cold out today, as you can tell. It's quite cold out, but yet I'm still out here working, kicking ass. What I gotta do today is I gotta put lattice right here. Block this off, but to allow the water to still go through. I gotta do that. And I gotta put lattice around the gate, under the gate, because I can't put dirt there. So I gotta do lattice there. Under here, lattice. I thought I cleared this memory card. Apparently I didn't. I still got 4 hours left. I thought I cleared this memory card. I got over 4 hours, close to 5, but anyway, that's the point. So that's the deal for today. Actually, I'm over here, I might as well go measure this. So I know what size, I'll take it back and cut it up. Oh, I forgot the screws in the garage. Damn it, I'll have to go back and get those. Ugh. I'm gonna measure this, see what size I need. Let's see, I doubt this is gonna stay. Oh, maybe it will, hopefully. Alright, I'm gonna say a 32-inch piece. I'll fill that little last bit in with dirt, but I need about 32 and a half inch piece. And I got U-channel that's gonna go right here. A U-channel that's gonna hold it in there, so it ain't gonna go nowhere. So, time to take you guys back to my lattice here that I got, and cut it up, measure it, mark it, cut it, screw it in, and that'll be one less thing to do. I actually gotta go back and get the screws first. So let's go on a walk to get the screws. Let's go on a walk and get the screws out of the garage, because I forgot that, and I need them. Cold out today. It's freezing out. Oh. Screws to my loos. Oh my god, why am I singing that? These screws are the best. Good screws are the star tip, not the squares. It's very hard to find damn square tip screws. The square head, very hard. These are good. These are the perfect for what I need. Might be a little long, but oh well. I don't have anything small that's gonna fit that. Oh Christ. Wind is horrible. Stupid flag. I wonder how well this will work. I'm gonna try and hook you guys up to the railing so you can see me cut this. Alright, be right back. What's up, guys? see how well this works out. Screws, drill. Extension cord for the circ saw. Extension cord that's kind of frozen. Circ saw wire that's kind of frozen. Hey, it's always great when it's so cold out that the wire, the memory, freezes it. Oh. U channel. Take U. I need my Sharpie. Come on, where's the blue one? Thank you. I should have my speedy square, but I don't. So, freehand line. Freehand line, which is pretty damn straight. Done. U channel to cut. This is gonna hurt a little bit because I gotta get under here and lay on these rocks on my back to screw this in. Yeah, this is gonna hurt. I'm not looking forward to this part. This is the only way to do it. So not looking forward to this. Oh, this is not fun. Ow! Okay. This is not fun. Ow. Christ. Let's see. I'll try and put you there. I'm gonna try and put you somewhere where you can see it. You can see me kill myself. Oh, this is not what I had anticipated for today. there. The U-channel is done. Now to cut my piece of lattice. I'll meet you guys back over there. Alright? See ya. Cut in half. Now I might be able, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to double it up or not because of the U-channel. But if I could double it up, I would want to do something like this to offset the holes a little bit to make them smaller, so I know rocks can get through. Because big holes like that, rocks get through. Small like half holes like that, rocks really can't get through. So we'll see. Actually, we'll see right now. Then I got my piece of U-channel here. Now let's see if I can only just get one in here. Yeah, this is only about a 1 fit U-channel. Yeah, it's only about a 1 fit, so I can only get one. That's fine. Yeah, that'll be fine. Alright, let's go. Meet you guys over there. Well, here I am, guys. Back on these hard killing rocks. Time to install this baby in. Let's see if I can set you guys up. Ooh, I think that's actually perfect right there. Turn you a little bit. No, I can't, because then you're gonna fall. Just straighten you out a little bit. Oh, hell no. Okay, right there. I might still have to dig a little bit to really try and get this down there. Oh, hell with that. I can't dig at all. Kidding me? This ground is hard as hell. This ground is like hard as a rock. Well, actually, this got concrete there. That one right there's got concrete. I mean, yeah, this is kind of diggable. But it's like frozen diggable, which means it is frozen. I'm gonna have to cut this down again. I'm gonna have to cut this thing down again. Unless if I can't. I gotta see if I could dig on the outside. Time to go get a shovel. See if I can dig on the outside. Because if I could dig on the outside, then that's what I'll do. And that's what I'll do. So, be right back, guys. Alright, guys, here at the truck. Getting the shovel. Got these. Built this thing myself to hold my shovels. Got a lock. You can't steal any of this shit for nothing because it's locked in there pretty damn tight. Got my keys. Set you guys down because I'm gonna need to set you guys down. I'll need that shovel for later. I might as well take both shovels with me. Come on guys, let's go. Let's see if I can go dig this out a little bit. It's fucking freezing out today. Wind chill like 20s to 30s. This is a December day, that's for damn ass sure. This right here is a December day. For crying out loud. I wonder if I could do this, if it'll work. Try and hook you onto the shovel. I'm just trying to hook you onto the shovel. That right there is where I gotta go. Oh, here, I'll do this. Let's see if this stays. Stay. I have a feeling this ain't gonna stay. It's too light. Stay, dog. Gotta get cut again. It's gotta get cut. Let's do this. The bloody red baron was flying once more. Still trying to figure out why the hell these batteries don't last long at all. But that's why I got more batteries. So if this dies on me, I got another one. Now let's see if I can cut this without an issue. I don't know. Let's see if that worked. I have no idea. Alright, let's see if this worked. This fit. No idea if this fit. We shall find out. I just have to really just sucker it in there. Try and bend it a little bit. Bend it, pop it, slide it. Like that. Boom. That's in there, and then just take it and just try and pop it forward a little bit like this. Ew, mud. That's why I wish I had a case on my GoPro because of this situation where it's muddy. But there you go, guys. Yeah, see how it's bulged there? Doesn't matter, it's fine. It's in there, nice and good. Now to just backfill it on the other side, and we're good. Well, actually I'd probably dig this out on a V first, and then backfill it. Ugh. Alright, meet you guys over there. Sorry guys, I can't really get it any closer, but you can still see the lattice and stuff. I'm going to try and edit and zoom it in if I can. There's got to be a V going from here to here. I got to create a V. Now I got to make a V from like the edge of that down and the edge on the other side down. So that way the water will flow over to the left where the drain is, which you'll see later. Alright, well, new battery, so we're good to go. As I was saying, I guess before the camera died, I don't know, I started digging pull up the grass to dig the V, and it's just not pulling up right at all. It's like frozen, it's just not, it's ripping apart, see? It's ripping apart, it's not coming up nicely like it's supposed to. There's a piece of fuzz or something on the lens, but yeah, it's not coming up like it's supposed to. So fortunately the V ain't gonna happen like I would like it to. It's winter now, so now it's just gonna end up freezing there. Oh well, there's nothing I can really do about it right now. So I'm gonna backfill this. Sorry, I hit the button. I'm gonna just backfill this, and then I'll just move on, because I can't really do the V like I wanted to, so, because it's like cold as hell out today. If I was able to do the V last Saturday, when it was nice and like hot, yeah, then yeah, it would have worked. So, alright, here we go. You're already at half your new battery? Really?
Control 6 for stage 301. Left hand circle.
There we go, guys. Done. That's backfilled, so that's nice and dandy done. Like, I just see that little space. I'll get up closer. There's a little space that I just fill it up with dirt. Alright, see you guys in a bit, in a couple minutes. See this space here? That's what I was talking about. I gotta just take that, throw some dirt up in there, cover that up, and we'll be good. And then I gotta just do the rest of the fence. But I'm actually gonna be going to a customer's house right now. Probably right now, go fix that hope chest that I was talking about last week. Yeah, I gotta go and repair that today. So I'm not actually going to do that right now, and then I'll be back here doing this. So with that said, I'll see you guys in a little while when I'm getting ready to do that hope chest. All right. So there's gonna be a mixed video of this and the hope chest. I don't care. All right. See you guys.